Hey guys, it's me, Isabella. Welcome to my channel, Bellalicious. We're making a cool DIY crayon canvas. So we're going to be getting this photo. We're going to be cutting it out. We're going to be putting some secret thing on it.
What are you doing?
And we are going to be putting it on. We're going to be putting the crayons on first. And then we're going to melt them, and then it's going to look epic. Ready to start? Join me. Okay guys, so these are the materials. We need crayons, obviously, a canvas, some contact paper, a hot glue gun, some hot glue gun sticks, a paper that you like, a photo that you like so you can cut it up, and your hands. So now you're going to grab your crayons and you're going to put it in the order that you like. The order that I would like is rainbow. Red. I think the dark reds should go first and then the lighter reds. So, now that we have it all separated, we're going to be using a hot glue gun, so be careful. Let's bring this down. Let's get out. I'm going to bring this over here. Just for something, this over here. We're going to be starting on this side. So we're going to be grabbing our first piece. We're going to grab our first crayon. I'm going to put it down now. Now we're going to stick it on. And then grab our second one. And we're just going to keep going until we finish the whole canvas. Guys, remember to not leave the hot glue gun to dry so much because it'll dry up. Out in the air so much, just put it on directly. This is a really fun project. Make sure you do it. We're done! Now that we're done, we're going to be putting this beautiful assortment of rainbows aside. We're going to be putting this beautiful assortment of rainbows aside. Now that we finished with that part, we are going to be cutting out our photos. So if you're bad at cutting, I suggest you don't do the cutting. We're going to start snapping. Don't cut yourself. If you can't cut, get an adult to help you. Or a good cutter.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright guys, so now that we're done, this is how it turned out. This is Hazel, the loving dog. And this is me, the human. If it's too tall for you, you can make it short. Okay guys, now we're going to be using we're going to be grabbing a piece of contact paper that we cut, and we're going to magically pop up a Sharpie. Now we are going to get the umbrella. And we are going to see, you will see, you have to grab the umbrella from straight down. So you have to go straight down from where the point of the umbrella is. Well, the end of the umbrella. down, and now do it again. Now we need scissors. So now we are going to be cutting the lines. Now we're going to be cutting the other side. Okay, so now that we got the sides, we are going to be tracing the umbrella. You put it here. I'm going to trace the top of the umbrella. Okay, we got it. Now we're going to be cutting. So we also put where it's supposed to go. We also put points where the body figures are supposed to go. And where the umbrella is supposed to go. Now we're taking it off. Hey guys, so we measured where the umbrella went. And we put points where it was supposed to go, so it would be easier for us, and one is showing right now. But it will be covered by the melted crayon, so it's fine. It's better if you do it with 2 people because it's easier to put it on and measure it. So we actually measured it. We measured where the points were supposed to go. So this is where the umbrella goes. Now we're going to start melting it with a special tool that I call a heat gun. Guys, now we're going to start. Make sure you have adult supervision or just have an adult do it for you. Ready? Go. Oh yeah, and if you don't have this, you could use a hand gun. This looks so cool, guys. Comment below which one is your favorite color. I'm sorry, you can't comment, never. Sorry, I didn't. remember to always keep it moving. Okay, guys, this one looks so awesome. I think we did a really good job. We're going to take it off from top to bottom. And a lot of it is falling. Ooh, we got it. Oh, this looks so pretty though. Well, now we're going to grab a glue stick. Okay, now we're going to glue it on. We're going to be putting a lot on so it sticks. Okay, that's good. Oh, and we have to put it on the top over here. Remember to put the glue on the foot. I'm gonna do this right here. Now we're going to put it. Now we're going to place it where the stick is, right here. Oops. Now we're going to get the legs. So now that we have me here, we're going to put Hazel and see if she fits. Now we're gonna put the dog, Hazel. And now we're done. So remember, it could be any photos, it could be any colors, and it could be any type of whatever you like. You could use your imagination. You don't even have to use an umbrella or yourself. Okay guys, now that we're done, you need to remember to subscribe and press or push or punch the like button. Okay? Okay. Bye.